Good morning and a warm welcome. You're watching CNN News 18 with me, Griha Atul. Over the next 2 hours, I'll be bringing you all the top stories that are dominating the headlines this morning on CNN News 18. We begin with some breaking news that's coming in from the national capital. An important piece of development which concerns the Aam Aadmi Party. Now we are learning that Aam Aadmi Party MLA Amanatullah Khan has put out a post on social media platform X, claiming that a team of Enforcement Directorate has reached his residence in Delhi to arrest him. Khan, remember, is under scanner in a money laundering case that revolves around financial irregularities pertaining to the Delhi Waqf Board. In fact, he goes on to say that ED people have just arrived at his house to arrest him, and that is the post that he's put on X.
देखिए, इस वक्त जो है 7 बजे हैं और ईडी वाले मेरे घर पे सर्च वारंट के नाम पर मुझे अरेस्ट करने के लिए आए हैं। मेरी मदर इन लॉ, उनको कैंसर है, अभी 4 दिन पहले उनका ऑपरेशन हुआ है, वो भी मेरे घर पर हैं और मैंने इनको लिखा भी था और हर नोटिस का जवाब मैंने इनको दिया है। जब ये मुझे नोटिस कर रहे हैं तो सर्च वारंट के नाम पर सिर्फ इनका मकसद मुझे गिरफ्तार करना है, हमारे कामों को रोकना है। पिछले 2 साल से मुस्तकिल ये लोग मुझे परेशान कर रहे हैं, फर्जी मुकदमात लगा रहे हैं, आए दिन कोई ना कोई उलझन परेशानी खड़ी कर रहे हैं और मुझे ही नहीं, मेरी पूरी पार्टी को।
Let me take this across to my colleague Arunima, who's joining us on the broadcast now. Arunima, of course, there's a case of financial irregularities, also some illegal hiring that Amanatullah Khan had done at the time of his tenure with the Delhi Waqf Board. Now that the ED has come knocking on his residence again, what are the charges that they are pressing on him, and the fact that Aam Aadmi Party is claiming that there is an imminent arrest of Khan that is going to happen? Are you learning anything about that through your sources?
The Enforcement Directorate has not issued a statement on this matter at all. And just to give you a background, in April 2024 also, earlier in this year, Amanatullah Khan was called to the ED office for questioning in the same case of recruitment in the Waqf Board. And even then, Amanatullah himself and the Aam Aadmi Party had alleged that he was arrested. But then post-midnight, he was seen walking away from the ED office. So even though this claim of arrest and harassment by ED was made back then, it turned out to be that he was not arrested. Today also, early in the morning, ED officials did reach his house. It is correct that he's under probe for a money laundering case. The predicate offense, the main corruption case, is being probed by CBI. The charge is that Amanatullah Khan took money in turn for recruitment, and this is the Waqf Board scam that we are talking about. And the ED is probing whether that money taken, corrupt money taken, was laundered away. Their probe is on, but ED has not spoken whether there's any plan to detain him, arrest him, or they're planning to carry out searches to gather more evidence.
Okay, we also have, in fact, Arunima, I request you to stay on with us. We also have our colleague Arun Dhanta, who's joining us live on the broadcast. Arun, there were claims that have been made by Aam Aadmi Party. In fact, Sanjay Singh has come out, openly, and he said that how in the past the Anti-Corruption Bureau had given a clean chit to Amanatullah Khan. This is just a muzzling exercise, a harassment exercise by the Enforcement Directorate. Anything that you're learning in response to that by either the ruling dispensation, considering there is accusatory fingers that have been, in fact, pointed at the Bharatiya Janata Party, that all of this is happening at their behest?
Well, see, that has always been a stand of the opposition parties, that whenever there is some raid or investigation by the investigating agencies on them, they resort to this tactic that it is on the behest of the government and the BJP. On the same point, BJP of course has a similar thing to say, that investigating agencies are doing their own work. They don't have any involvement. It's not like the Congress government, when they would actually put a pressure on the agencies to do certain things. So in their government, nothing of this sort is happening. But as far as, of course, Amanatullah Khan's story is concerned, The raid happened early in the morning, and we saw, of course, Sanjay Singh, Aam Aadmi Party MP, highlighting that how these agencies are harassing them. But the fact here is that Amanatullah Khan, when he was the chairperson of the Waqf board from 2018 to 22, there have been certain discrepancies under his regime, whether it is related to the recruitment or also, getting money through that recruitment and buying that immovable property through that money. There has been huge proceeds of crime as per the Enforcement Directorate, and of course, Enforcement Directorate has been maintaining this. There has been regular summons to Amanatullah Khan for which he was not responding, and therefore perhaps in the light of that we are seeing these raids are taking place. Amanatullah Khan, of course, had been behind the bars. He is out on bail at this moment. But what exactly was the reason of the Enforcement Directorate's early morning raid today? We'll have to actually see or wait for some sort of response from the Enforcement Directorate. But of course, Aam Aadmi Party is crying foul here at this moment.
Absolutely. Arun and Arunima, I would request you to stay on with us. We are getting some more breaking news. We've